So I seen a lady on TikTok start her garden. Seems like very easily. So me, I went to M&D or Ace Hardware, wherever it's called in your city, and I went and got me some soil. All right, I had some complications in the middle of recording this video, but she started hers off with watermelon, which I will also do watermelon, but let's see what cantaloupe does. Now all she did was grab some seeds, throw it right in the middle. Damn, did the shit come on? Come on. And she just mixed it around like so, like that. Make sure it's covered up. I just add some water in there, a good amount, and I guess that should be good. Let me go ahead and get that seed back in that ground right there. Back in that ground. Cover that back up, and you let it sprout. Then we're gonna be putting it in the ground. I'll keep you guys updated on this journey.